My name is SAIRUPA. I recently graduated in Rajiv Gandhi Memorial College of Engineering in the stream of CSC, passed out of year 2025. So I joined Jspiders in the month of June. I completed 4 months here. Well, my core Java is done by Pawan sir, web technologies are done by Geeta ma'am and Shivanand sir. SQL is done by Karishma ma'am. So in these 4 months, I have great experience. The mocks they conducted every week mocks, interviews, and grooming sections and some assignments they have done to me so that I can easily crack the interview because of their giving assignments, they practice their support and they have great knowledge. They shared our knowledge to us. And next, the mocking interviews give great experience to me, so I can improve my communication skills. IPC helps me to improve my communication skills. So I have great experience in Jspiders, Punjagutta. So thank you. I placed in junior software engineer as a designation. So thank you, Jspiders, for giving this opportunity to grow in my career. Thank